Hello everyone. Today we are starting a new series of chapter wise MCQs. We will cover all the important MCQs from each chapters and each subject. This will be very helpful for all the pharmacy students and those preparing the medical exams like the GPAT, NIPER, government pharmacist exams, etc. Today we will start with the pharmacology. Let's start the video. All are welcome back to my YouTube channel Pharmacy Exam Preparation. Let's start. Question number 1. Dash is the study of the drug and its action. Option: pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamic, pharmacology, and pharmacognosy. Right option is C. Pharmacology. Question number 2. A drug is said to be an dash if it does not produce any biological response even on binding with a receptor, but in its place it either block or decrease the effect of an agonist. Option A. Full agonist. B. Antagonist. Partial antagonist and inverse agonist. राइट ऑप्शन इज बी एंटागोनिस्ट. गाइस देखो एगोनिस्ट मीन्स क्या होता है. एगोनिस्ट इज अ सब्सटेंस दैट मिमिक द एक्शन ऑफ अ neurotransmitters or the hormones to produce a response when it binds to a specific receptor. Okay, and antagonist means a chemical substance that binds to and block the activation of the certain receptors on the cell, then preventing the biological responses. Question number 3. Dash involve the study of the utilization of the drug and its effect on a large population. Option A. Pharmacogenomics. B. Pharmacoepidemiology. C. Pharmacoeconomics. D. Pharmacogenetics. Right answer is option B. Pharmacoepidemiology. Question 4. Dash is the ratio between the dose that can produce the useful and the dose responsible for side and toxic effects. Option A. Therapeutic index. B. Competition. C. Tolerance. D. Effectiveness. Right is option A. Therapeutic index. Question number 5. Dash is the habitual use of the psychoactive drug that results due to the repeated and continuous use of these drugs, and an abrupt discontinuations of drug may result to withdrawal the syndromes. Option A. Potency, selectivity, addiction and side effect. Right answer is option C. Addiction. Question number 6. Sometimes some disease can be induced unknowingly by the medical professionals when they prescribe drugs for some others underlying disease. Such diseases are known as option A. Toxicology. B. Chemotherapy. Iatrogenic disease. D. Pharmacotherapeutic. Right answer is option C. Iatrogenic disease. Question number 7. A therapeutic index of a drug is dash to its safety. Option A. Inversely proportional, directly proportional, relatively proportional, none of the above. Right option is B. Directly proportional. Question number 8. As the half-life depends upon the metabolic rate as well as on excretion, it is also used to calculating the frequency of drug administration. Option A. Gene-based therapy, organ level pharmacology, half-life, molecular level pharmacology. Right option is C. Half-life. Question number 9. The branch of clinical pharmacology is specialized for dash. A. Conduction of clinical trials. B. Conduction of research studies. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Right is option C. Both A and B. Question number 10. The primary concern of dash branch is the study of the adverse drug reaction. Option A. Pharmacoepidemiology. B. Pharmacogenetics. C. Pharmacotherapeutics. D. Clinical pharmacology. Right option is A. Pharmacoepidemiology. Question number 11. Pharmacology is derived from the Greek word pharmakons, which means drugs, and logo, which means dash. A. Studied about. B. Studied of, studied in, studied for. Option C. Studied in. Question number 12. Dash is the part of the pharmacoepidemiology that involves the study of the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics features of a drug which is already present in the market. A. Pharmacotherapeutics. B. Pharmacogenomics. C. pharmacovigilance, D. Pharmacoepidemiology. Option C is correct, pharmacovigilance. Question number 13. Dash are macromolecules present on the cell surface to which the drug molecules binds and cause the modulation of their function. A. Receptors, B. Antagonist, C. Ligands, D. Agonist. Right is A. Receptors. Question number 14. Dash of a drug is the ability of it to bind to its receptors. A. Affinity, potency, effectiveness, none of the above. Right is A. Affinity. Question number 15. Dash is the measurement of the effect generated by the therapeutic agents. Option A. Effectiveness, affinity, potency, and selectivity. Right is option A. Effectiveness. Question number 16. Dash is the story of the drug and its action. Option A. Pharmacognosy, B. Pharmacology, C. Pharmaceutics, D. Dermatology. Right is option B. Pharmacology. 17. The term drugs is organized from the French words drogue means dash. Option A. A dry root, B. A dry stem, C. A wet leaves, D. A dry herbs. Right is option D. A dry herbs. Question number 18. The meaning of kinesis is dash. A. Movement, B. Absorption, C. Distribution, D. Metabolism. Right is A. Movement. Question number 19. The study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and the elimination of a drug is called as dash. Option A. Pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, pharmacoeconomics, and D. Pharmacogenomics. Right is option B. Pharmacokinetics. Question number 20. The meaning of the dynamic is dash. Option A. Movement, B. Power, C. Distribution, D. Metabolism. Right is option B. Power. Thank you friends. If you find these videos of ours even a little informative, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.